Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add custom text to Shopify product pages. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. You can add custom text on any part of the Shopify pages. So let's just say you want to do that on product pages, head over to your pages, and you can see in here we're going to have multiple pages. Let's just say this is your product page. This is a test. You're going to simply head over to your online store and click on customize. And in here you can add different sections, like for example if you want to add some text, you can do that. Simply add rich text or anything that you want, then you can easily customize it. So that's pretty much it for adding your text. You can customize this from this section, make it bold or whatsoever you would like. So yeah, that's how you do it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.